A to Z flowers written in an interesting and kid-friendly way. A to Z flowers for kids. ABC's flowers with fun cherry blossom. A for Aparajita, Clitoria ternata, cherry blossom blue flower used in puja and Ayurvedic medicine. B for balsam, gulmendi, hibiscus bright pink and purple garden flower. C for champa, plumeria, white heart fragrant white yellow flower often used in temples. D for dahlia blossom big colorful flower found in gardens. E for evening primrose yellow heart yellow flower that blooms in the evening. F for frangipani, temple flower, cherry blossom sweet scented flower near temples. G for gulmohar heart red, flame tree, flower that blooms in summer. H for hibiscus, jaswand, red circle red flower offered to Lord Ganesha. I for ixara, rangan, orange heart clustered orange or red flowers found in gardens. J for jasmine, mogra, white heart fragrant flower used for garlands and perfumes. K for canna, oleander, growing heart pink, white, or yellow flower, blooms easily. L for lotus, kamal, growing heart India's national flower, symbol of purity. M for marigold, genda, orange heart used in festivals, weddings, and decorations. N for Nagalinga pushpa, cannonball tree flower, flower stamped sacred flower offered to Lord Shiva. O for orchid purple heart fancy flower found in India's hills and forests. P for periwinkle, sadabahar, growing heart small pink or white flower that blooms all year. Q for queen of the night, Brahma kamal, cherry blossom rare flower that blooms only at night. R for rose, gulab, rose symbol of love and beauty, many colors. S for sunflower, surajmukhi, sunflower bright yellow flower that follows the sun. T for tulip, tulip grown in Kashmir, colorful and elegant. U for ulex, Indian goss, yellow heart yellow wildflower with spiky stems. V for violet purple heart small purple flower with sweet smell. W for water lily cherry blossom grows in ponds, looks like the lotus. X for xyrus yellow heart golden yellow wildflower seen in fields. Y for yellow bell, tecoma, yellow heart trumpet shaped bright yellow flower. Z for zinnia blossom colorful flower often used in gardens.